In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your iPhone battery after an iOS update by taking advantage of Apple's new battery management features. With each iOS update, Apple introduces smart solutions to help you preserve your battery's health and extend its lifespan. Whether you're using the latest iPhone 16 or an older model, there are new options that can help you prevent unnecessary wear on your battery. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've seen how iOS updates can dramatically impact battery life. But don't worry, Apple has introduced new charging limits that can make a big difference. We'll cover how iOS 18 adds more flexibility to battery management, including charge limits of 80%, 85%, 90%, 95%, and 100%. I'll walk you through the steps for using these features, so you can maximize your iPhone's battery health. Stay with me until the end to find out how to get the most out of your iPhone's battery performance. Now, let's dive into the new battery management options with the latest iOS 18. Step 1. Access battery settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Battery. Here, you'll see the new charging limit options that have been introduced in iOS 18. Apple has worked hard to address issues like overcharging, which can harm your battery over time. Limiting your charge to 80% or another percentage can prevent your iPhone from suffering long-term damage. Apple's new charging options, 80%, 85%, 90%, and 95%, are designed to give you control based on your daily needs. For example, the 80% option is great if you want to extend your battery's lifespan by reducing the time it spends fully charged. But if you know you have a long day ahead without a chance to recharge, you can temporarily disable the limit to get a full charge, giving you 100% capacity for those crucial moments. Step 2. Understand when to use the charge limit. While iOS 13 first introduced optimized battery charging, the new iOS 18 update takes it a step further, letting you customize your charge limit. Let's talk about when to use each setting. The 80% limit is still one of the best options for long-term battery health. It prevents overcharging, which can lead to battery wear. However, if you need a bit more juice, the new 85% or 90% options are great compromises. iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 users can now tailor their battery management to their daily routines, ensuring that their phones last longer without compromising on battery health. One of the best things about this feature is that you can change it according to your needs. If your day involves heavy usage, you can temporarily charge up to 100% and have it roll back to your preferred limit the next day. Before we continue with more steps, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue with how to keep your iPhone battery healthy in the long run. Step 3. Keep your battery healthy. Keeping your iPhone's battery in good condition is all about making the most of the new iOS 18 features. As long as you regularly use these charge limits and avoid overcharging, you'll notice that your battery lasts longer, and you'll see fewer signs of wear over time. Remember, iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 are currently the only models that support this feature. For those using older iPhones, make sure to keep an eye on your charging habits and try to stick to optimized battery charging, as this can still offer some level of protection for your battery. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.